Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is simple makeup tutorial for beginners. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. So we start with luxurious ayurveda mint spray. Next I am using Forever Living sunscreen lotion with 35 SPF, which helps to get you very glowing and healthy looking skin. Next I am going to use l.a.girl color corrector, which helps to hide your pigmentation, pimple and redness in your face. Next I am going to use Lotus Makeup Express Glow 10-in-1 Daily Waves Cream with SPF 25, which helps to give you a matte flawless skin and keep your skin hydrated for a long time. I am going to use Maybelline New York Dream Cushion Foundation with SPF 20 and shade number 01. This foundation is in liquid form and I am applying this foundation with the help of cushion. Next, take a small brush to fill the eyebrows with the help of Shivana Colors Eyebrow Palette. In this palette, we have two shades, black and brown. We will mix them to fill the eyebrows like this. Then I am going to use colorbar mascara to brush my eyebrows. Next I am going to use Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. First of all, I am lining my lip. Then apply lipstick on a lips. Next I'm going to use Glam Girl Pink Blusher to blush my cheeks. Next I'm going to use eyelash color to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to use colorbar mascara on my top as well as bottom eyelashes. Next I'm going to use Blue Heaven liner. This liner is smudge proof and waterproof. Next I am going to use Blue Heaven Liquid Sindoor. So this is my final look. If you like this look, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.